Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to solve a question on EMFT. And the question says, if A represents a vector 2 units in length directed due west, B represents a vector 3 units in length directed due north, and A plus B is equal to C minus D, and 2B minus A equals C plus D. Find the magnitudes and the directions of C and D. Take north as the positive y direction. Okay, so from the question, we are asked to take north as the positive y direction, hence we are going to use the xy Cartesian plane. Okay, so this is our north, our south, our east, and then we have our west. Okay, so now the question says our A represents a vector 2 units in length directed due west. So our A is on this vector, so A, and it's 2 units. Then at B represents a vector 3 units in length directed due north. So our B will be directed due north. And this is the positive. So let's assign. And this is B. Now B is 3. So we're given equations where A plus B is equal to C minus D. And another 2B minus A equals C plus D. So you have to find the magnitudes and the directions of C and D. Now, A is moving due west. That is on the x-axis. So we can say A is equal to negative 2x, while B is equal to positive 3y. Hence, we can substitute them into the given equations. Let's label this as equation A and equation B. So we are substituting. So for equation A, we have negative 2x plus 3y is equal to C minus D. We get equation 1. Then for equation B, we have 2 multiplying our b's 3y minus our a, that's negative 2x, equals C plus D. So this is 6y plus 2x is equal to C plus D. So we are going to solve this equation simultaneously. Okay, so when we solve this equation simultaneously, we are getting our C to be equal to 4.5 AY due north. Then our D to be equal to certain 2AX plus 1.5 AY. And that will be found, since we are dealing with north and northeast. These are the positive y direction and positive x direction. It will be found in the northeast direction of our Cartesian plane. But let's find the magnitude. So the magnitude of C is going to be equal to 4.5 all squared. That is going to give you 4.5, and it is due north. That is for C. And the magnitude of D is given as root of 2 squared plus 1.5 all squared. It's given us 2.5 due north, due east, due east of the northeast direction. Okay, so that is our magnitude and directions for C.